Hi, what we have here is the CRT FP00 handheld radio transceiver. It's a VHF UHF and it covers 144 to 146 and 430 to 440. It also has an option for radio FM 76 to 108 megahertz. This radio can be opened up and will cover 136 to 174 and 420 to 480. That means that it will also cover the PMR bands of 446. So this is just an unboxing to show you what's in the box. This is not a demo on how to use the actual handheld, just showing you what's in the box. So we have an English instruction manual. We have a French instruction manual. We have the handheld radio, quite small and compact. That's the side where you put the program cable. If you have a program cable, you can put it in and you can actually program the radio. So not too bad. Not too bad there for the radio. So we have a battery. C4 comes with the handheld. And we have holders so you can put on your wrist, so just in case you have an accident or it might fall, you can put that on your wrist or around your neck. Then you have the clip which goes on the back for your belt, and you have it's a European power supply. Unfortunately they don't supply a UK power supply, so that's a European power supply, and that's the docking station where you put the actual radio. And then you have obviously the antenna where the radio will go. So this radio is currently available on adverts.ie, on the Scorpion Technology website on adverts.ie. So we have it in stock at the moment.